and how does it release calcium from the bone? So the parathyroid hormone, as you know, it is coming from the parathyroid gland, right?
Okay, yes.
So it is coming from the chief cells of the parathyroid gland.
Okay.
So it comes from the chief cells of the parathyroid gland, and it has functions on different parts of the body, like in kidney, in bone. It also has it activates the inactive form of vitamin D to active form of vitamin D. So, so the parathyroid hormone, first of all, how does it cause release of calcium from the bone?
Okay.
So how does it cause the release of calcium from the bone? So let's say that this is the bone, and inside the bone we have the that is osteoblast.
Okay.
Osteoblast, and we have osteocyte, and then we have the osteoclast.
Okay.
So on the surface, let's say on the surface of the osteoblast, this is the osteoblast, and this is the osteocyte. They have the rank L receptors. Rank L receptors. And on the surface of the osteoclast, we have the rank receptors.
Okay.
So now the job of this parathyroid hormone is to, what is the job of the parathyroid hormone? Is to upregulate the rank L on the surface of the osteoblast and osteocyte, and stimulate the rank on the surface of the osteoclast to release calcium from the bone. So this calcium from the bone is released into the circulation, and that causes hypercalcemia. Did you get it?
Yes.
So now again, so the parathyroid hormone is coming from the chief cells of the parathyroid gland. And how does it cause calcium release from the bone? So in the bone, we have the immature osteoblast, and then the osteocytes and the osteoclast. On the surface of the osteoblast, you have the rank L. Parathyroid hormone will upregulate this rank L and will activate the rank on the surface of the osteoclast, and that causes release of calcium from the bone, and that will cause hypercalcemia in the circulation. Now, in the next slide, we will be going to discuss that how does it activate the vitamin D in the kidney. So what are the actions of the parathyroid hormone it has on the kidney? So in the proximal convoluted tubule, we have the enzyme. Can you tell me the name of that enzyme? It's one.
One alpha hydroxylase.
Very good. You have that enzyme called 1-alpha hydroxylase enzyme. And in the PCT, let's say this is the PCT, and the parathyroid hormone, this parathyroid hormone will activate this enzyme, and this enzyme will convert the inactive form of vitamin D, that is 25 hydroxy vitamin D, to active form of
Vitamin D.
vitamin D. Very good. To active form of vitamin D. That is the
Calciferol.
cholecalciferol. Okay. So, okay. Causes, because parathyroid hormone is also called the phosphate trashing hormone. Phosphate trashing hormone. So, in the proximal convoluted tubule, in the PCT, this parathyroid hormone will cause excretion of phosphate from the body.
Okay.
So that is why it is called the phosphate trashing hormone. Okay, but in the distal convoluted tubule, parathyroid hormone causes reabsorption of calcium. So the difference is the parathyroid hormone causes, but as it is called phosphate trashing hormone, it trashes the phosphate out of the body, and in the distal convoluted tubule, parathyroid hormone causes reabsorption of calcium. Okay, so what is the difference between calcium and phosphate in the absorption of vitamin D and phosphate? So the difference is the parathyroid hormone and the vitamin D. So vitamin D is activated by the parathyroid hormone. It is activated by the parathyroid hormone, and the parathyroid hormone is excreting phosphate out of the body, and reabsorbs calcium into the body,
Okay.
right?
Mhm.
But vitamin D is activated by the parathyroid hormone, and it causes reabsorption of both phosphate and calcium into the body, in the intestine, and also in the bone,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the difference, that you have to know that what is the normal function of the parathyroid hormone, how does it cause hypercalcemia by upregulating RANK receptors, and what is the difference of vitamin D and calcium in relation to phosphate and calcium absorption.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Doctor.